Welcome to all. Thank you so much for subscribing onto my YouTube channel on real estate. My name is Ashish Parnami. I've been a private banker and a real estate expert in last 2 decades, and I run my real estate advisory as of now. Before we hop on to the kind of market scenario that we are living in and the kind of real estate opportunities that exist as of now, let me start by applauding and acknowledging the fact that the main reason how we have sustained through as a country in last 3.5 months. Firstly, I believe it's the traditional inborn habit of saving that has helped all of us as a country to sustain through, vis-a-vis the Western world. When we look around the kind of maybe chaos and the kind of maybe disruption and kind of maybe stuff that is happening across the globe. Secondly, the spirit of entrepreneurship. When we look at our grandfathers, forefathers, we all have been farmers, traders, entrepreneurs, manufacturers. And I think when I talk to people now as well, I can really see that, because while we are sitting at home, but yes, we have been rolling out ideas. We have been trying hard to maybe, and raring to go. The moment we are raring to go and to ensure that the ball starts rolling once again. Coming down to real estate now and the kind of opportunities that exist in the market today. We, of course, markets are there on a standstill, but like they all say that, look, opportunities lie in times of adversities, and we have seen that visionaries who have grown their money leaps and bounds and geometrical returns are the people who actually know when to spot the opportunity. So we are bang on. If you ask me, I think when we look at the intrinsic value of assets today, they are completely at a price which is at a market price which is lower than the intrinsic value. So yes, there's an opportunity. I've been advising closely, all my clients, all my close clients, selective clients, on the fact that, look, one, we have the whole gamut of ready to move in assets, which includes luxury homes, which are already brands, which includes grade A commercial office spaces, which includes prime high street market, main road shops. These are assets to be grabbed at the moment. So yes, I have been hand holding my clients, and we have been doing our due diligence with a stick in hand and maybe spotting on these opportunities at the moment. On the other hand, I firmly believe, and I've been very closely associated with groups like, say, Godrej Properties. I'm very proud of the fact the way they have imbibed confidence in the customers today by introducing a 1090 payment plan on properties which are 4 to 5 years away from delivery, which is what they are trying to say and tell the consumer is that, look, believe in us, we have the equity and the leverage to maybe put in. And just don't worry, ride on the appreciation cycle by putting in just a fraction of your money on a particular asset. So I have been very fortunate, and I have been very, to advise clients, and I've been actually trying to maybe tell everyone that, look, stay calm and stay positive. These are the opportunities not to be missed. The entire commercial portfolio of Gurgaon, which is there, which is raring to go, like I shared in my last video as well. The likes of M3M portfolios, the likes of maybe the MR, what they are trying to do and what they have done in past. So guys, this is the time to actually spot on the opportunities, take advice from experts, and just stay calm and energetic and make the best out of it. My mobile number for your reference is 9900084680. I'll be more than happy to hear from you. Do subscribe onto my channel to maybe hear these kind of opportunities that I'll keep coming up with.